We're out at 109 Kirbyberry Street. This is out here in the preserve out in Oak Ridge. So phenomenal planned development out here. Great house here as well. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The community here is amazing. So it's got swimming pool, weight rooms. It's got a town center. It's got a golf course. It's got a marina down here. Just about anything you could possibly want, they have. And then this is a little gem of a house here. So as we walk in, we've got a stacked stone fireplace, gas fireplace here, plenty of room to spread out. You've got a half bath on the downstairs here, along with the storage closet. So see through there. All the bedrooms are upstairs on this one, but you've got a great little dining room area here and fantastic kitchen, granite countertops, tall cabinets. Got a gas fireplace here. This is brand new construction, so we haven't even added the refrigerator yet, but that is coming. That will be included with the house. And here is another. This could be more of a formal dining area or a second living area, however you want to use that. Down here, we've got a nice pantry. And then coming through this way, you've got kind of a mud room here coming off the garage. So let's take a look. In the garage, by the way, you have a separate road behind the house that you can access the garage from the back of the house, which is really nice. And then, as you can see, it's oversized, and you've got more storage area over there. So people are always asking about storage. We got plenty of it here. Got low maintenance flooring downstairs. As we walk on through, let's take a peek upstairs. We do have two bedrooms here at the back of the house. So guest bedroom number 1 here to the left. And it does have a bit of a walk-in closet, which is nice. Guest bedroom number 2. And you can see walking in there. And then on this side, we do have the guest bathroom. So plenty of cabinet space and a shower tub combo. So dual vanities in here, really nice. We do have a storage closet. And then the laundry room is actually upstairs here. So you don't have to worry about running up and down with the clothes. Here is the master. So ceiling fans in all of them. And go into the bathroom here. You can see the dual vanities. And really nice stand-up shower with a seat there for you. So very nice there. And we come on through. Walk-in closet. So everything you need here. I don't know why you ever leave the neighborhood. It's got it all out here. So all that's missing is you. KeyrenterKnoxville.com. Check this out. Schedule your viewing today or submit an application. See you soon.